and welcome to the another video where we are going to discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for the next trading session. So let's analyze starting with daily time frame. This is the Bank Nifty chart, daily time frame and spot price chart. Yesterday we have seen a very huge black candle and it is more than big than this previous white candle. So the bear's power is more at the top. So we can see a good bearish strength here. Again, the today's trading session on 1st September is a very narrow range. So after a big trend on this daily time frame, big candle, it was in a sideways in today's session. So expecting a very good momentum because the time cycle also clocks with this same price is also showing some kind of after a big move some kind of sideways, so again strength will resume. So need to check. There is one concern here if this bank nifty is above this previous breakout level. So once this break the level of this support now, 23,300 will be a good area. Then bear strength will be more below this area, 23,300 zone. So this is my view for bank nifty index. And let's see on 15-minute time frame. We have noticed since so many times bank nifty since last 10 to 10 days it has been above the RSI 60 zone, and right now it is trading below RSI 60 and not able to go and sustain above 60. And also the resistance of this moving average, again we have seen one single here is first time yesterday. In today's trading session in morning we have seen, and again in the afternoon we have seen a resistance of this moving average on 15-minute time frame. And the slope of the moving average which was upside here now slightly turn here flat and now turning a slope downside from here you can see a slope is moving downside, and RSI is not also crossing 60, which is a concern sign for bulls. Okay, so let's mark the levels for the next trading session. So from this much analysis we can easily identify the strength for the bulls is very weak now, and it is very difficult for bulls to recover and gain the strength. So let's see what are the levels we have observed in our today's trading session, so we can mark for next trading session. So let's check. So starting with day's high, and today's trading session high is on the starting of the 9:30 market started, and it has made a high which is around 24,199. So I'm going to change the color of this as we always mark pink. And again the low which comes here 23,473. And remember the level 23,300 is a good area on a daily time frame, which is previously it was a resistance change in polarity right now. So might possible if it is break this level of 23,300, the doors will open for bears. Okay, so these are the high and low for today's trading session. Let's mark the level for important area of resistance, and we have seen here, here and here some multiple resistance we have seen here. And if I can take the retracement of this entire fall from here to here, so its resistance also comes around the 50% resistance come around 24,300. So let's mark the level 24,300 as an important area of resistance for bank nifty index. And a good support, if you want to check, then we can also check a retracement here. So we are going to check a last move here from here to here, and which comes the retracement of 161% comes near to the 23,165 area. So these are the levels you can watch for the next trading session. So important area of resistance 24,300, important area of support 23,150 8 or 60. Okay, so let's mark the level for the Nifty index, and same way we are starting with the daily time frame, and we have seen a good bearish candlestick and bearish engulfing at almost here at the top, and RSI is also below 60 now. In today's trading session, it is trading below. The range is very narrow. Some kind of a doji candle appear on the daily time frame. So after a good bearish move, this is sideways movement. And if you want to notice in entire August month, from starting of the August, we have seen only two bullish good candles on Bank Nifty. And the August month for entire Indian markets was a very bullish, especially with the Bank Nifty movement. Okay, but we have seen a very small, narrow candles in this entire month. Only two candles, the 4th August and this the 13th August, is a very good bullish candles. After that, the small, narrow candles and one short. This is a very bearish, big body black candle appears on a daily time frame. So it's suggesting the momentum which was upside might over for some time, and we are intermediate top has been made. It is might possible. I'm using the word might possible because if once the high of this candle breaks, then this upside momentum may further continue. But chances of this high to break is probability is right now very low. We need to check further momentum and further confirmation. So let's start with the 15-minute time frame. And 15-minute time frame also we have seen a good fall, and this is a bounce back. Moving average slope downside and exactly took a resistance at moving average, and RSI is also resisting at 60. So this is again not a good sign, and see a good fall. It could be your opportunity to trade options in Nifty weekly options. Okay, so lastly we have seen a hammer and a very good upside bounce here. So let's check 5-minute time frame, and let's mark the level for the next trading session. So as usually we are starting with the highs and lows. Today's trading session high is somewhere here 11,553 and pink color, and let's mark the level for the support which comes around here 11,366.90 in 1st September 9:55, and this is the important area of high and low. We always mark this level, and let's check this fall retracement. So we could simply check our retracement or resistance level, and we have seen exactly this is a 50% retracement in Nifty index, and Nifty moved from those levels. And if we mark above this level, somewhere here 61 comes here 11,616, and also there is at 11,600 round number, this Fibonacci number and the swing high also appears here. So I'm going to mark this level of important area of resistance, which we mark with the black candle, black line. 11,600 is a very strong resistance for Nifty index for tomorrow's trading session. Okay, and if I want to mark the level for support, so previously support zone, the area of low, I'm going to mark as an important area of support 11,324. So these are the levels you need to watch, and I have explained in detail with the daily time frame, 15-minute time frame, and a 5-minute time frame to mark the levels for the next trading session. And remember, we are at an important time junction also. The 3rd September is a time analysis date, and in advance market has show you some kind of amazing movement. And tomorrow we are expecting again a good sharp movement, and we need to see whether it is going downside or upside. But the probability of going downside is more. So let's check. But that doesn't mean if market is going up, so we are not going to take a trade. So be aware with the movement. So if you are a trader, then be ready to catch the trade or any of the side. Okay, whether it is upside or maybe a downside. So don't go with the bias. It will not help you in your trading. You just follow these levels and the price action. It will help you to make a trade. So that's it from my side. And if you like the way we analyze the market, you can hit the like button, Do subscribe to my channel and wait for my another video. Thank you so much.